Shri K.K. Sharma, Chief Secretary, Government of National Capital Territory, Delhi, and also Chairman of DIMS, importantly for us. Shri Rajendra Kataria, MD of KSRTC and Vice Chairman of ASRTU, Dr. Ekroop Kaur, MD of Bangalore Metropolitan Transport Corporation and Chair of EITP India Board, and Jeremy Pobe, Director Outreach, who had come all the way from Brussels to be here with us. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to all of you here. And we from the organizers' side also extend a hearty welcome to you here for the second EITP India Bus Seminar on Smart and Sustainable Bus Solutions. As you would have noticed, today's seminar is centered around buses. We are associated with buses. All of you here are associated with buses. But may I ask you to just imagine buses. Where do buses really figure in our collective consciousness? Right? Buses are the beasts of burden for a city, if you really look at it. But we have some bit of a disdain for buses. We look at buses as if they are rickety, world, smelly, noisy, belching fumes, and metal monsters. And is that the kind of perception that we have of buses? Are we really looking at what buses really do to us? Let me remind you, all of us are aware of it, but it is required of us to really remind ourselves that buses are the least cost, most efficient, flexible mode of urban transport. And we don't even give a thought to it. But, gentlemen and ladies, buses are undergoing a makeover. A transformation is something that's happening in buses. Propulsion technologies are changing. The technology that is resident in the buses are changing. The technological interfaces the buses will have in the connected world, the Internet of Things, that is also something that is changing. So gone are those days of rickety, noisy buses. They are becoming spanky, swanky, spruced up versions today. And here we are helping bring out some of those swanky buses before you so that the perception of buses is something that changes. And all of us perhaps can bring in a new revolution in the mobility space. As a matter of fact, I can also tell you, share with you, and which the guests who have assembled here would be sharing with you over the course of time, that with the informational technology that is there and with the mobile telephony that is there now, which we hold in all our hands, the entire mobility space is getting transformed. And here, bus is something that is playing the central role. And what are we? We help manage, run buses, but all the same, given our DNA, we are a 50% owned by Delhi government entity, and 50% of it is owned by IDFC Foundation. Our DNA is to work for the public cause, to keep the public interest furthered, but with the private sector flexibility, so that public purpose is something that is served. So we thought, since we are working in the mobility space, we had to bring the best practices to the stakeholders, primary stakeholders, the state road transport undertakings, the city bus management companies, the manufacturers and others who are here. And we should collectively engage in some sort of a discussion as to what are the best practices that are there world over, so that can we really transform this bus mode of transport. With that idea, we partnered with EITP, and we thought of having this seminar, and an interesting menu is spread out before you today for discussion. So, ladies and gentlemen, the seminar bus is ready to move now, okay? Sit back, relax, but pay your attention to the speakers who have come all over the world to share their knowledge and ideas with you, and participate in that. Be alert and cogitate, reflect as to what is being discussed here, and take back some of these insights that you probably would glean from here and help move the cities properly. And I once again welcome you all here for the day's deliberations and have a very thoughtful, thought-provoking seminar. Thank you very much.